Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with fast, high-impact steps. Remove the case and any screen protector, then wipe the glass with a microfiber cloth. Use 70% isopropyl if it's greasy. Once done, restart the phone and boot into safe mode to see if an app is the culprit. Make sure to open Settings, go to Accessibility, and check touch, sensitivity, and gesture options so you confirm basic software controls are set correctly before deeper fixes. Now you move into detailed diagnostics. Clear system and app caches to remove corrupted touch buffers. Next, install all pending system and app updates because manufacturers often patch touch-related bugs. Once updated, run the phone's built-in hardware tests or a trusted touch test app to map dead zones and response times. If certain areas never register, note their position. This informs whether the issue is software, a connection problem, or physical digitizer damage. To finish, back up your data and perform a factory reset only as a last software step. This clears lingering firmware conflicts. Once reset, test touch thoroughly. If the problem persists, power down, open the device only if you're comfortable, and inspect the display flex cable for a loose connection. Reseating it can restore touch. If you cannot repair it yourself, seek a professional. If touch is intermittent, try a capacitive stylus. Consistent failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.